नमस्कार बालमित्रांनो. ज्ञानसागराच्या भेटीसाठी चला प्रवाही होऊया. वेलकम टू कथा सरिता प्रेझेंटेड बाय प्रादेशिक विद्या प्राधिकरण मुंबई. टुडे इज संडे, July 4, 2021. टुडे पंचांग इज आषाढ़ दशमी भारतीय शालिवान शके 1943.
Today in 1997, NASA's Pathfinder unmanned spacecraft landed on Mars. The solitude of Swatantraveer Savarkar started in 1911. In 1898 was the birthday of Gulzarilal Nanda. He is the second Prime Minister of India. Also, Marie Curie, a Nobel Prize winning Polish-French physicist, and Swami Vivekananda, a disciple of Ramakrishna Paramahans, a philosopher who spread Indian philosophy around the world, founded the Ramakrishna Mission to perpetuate the memory of his guru, and Kanoji Agre, the first admiral of Maratha Navy. Also, Pingali Venkaya's death anniversary. Pingali Venkaya designed the initial version of the Indian tricolor, but very little is known about the man himself. So let's move on to today's story. It is difficult to articulate just what a national flag represents. At one level, it is about an identity, a sense of belonging, but it is also more, much more. A national flag is a repository of emotions and feelings, all of which center around a consciousness which is larger than the individuals. Athletes wrap it around themselves after winning honor for their country, and martyrs come home wrapped in it after giving their life for the country. In both instances, the flag represents the invisible thread that binds together millions. As we all know, the Indian tricolor signifying courage, honesty, and prosperity, with the Ashoka Chakra in the center to represent both dharma and the wheel of progress. National flag was proposed as a national flag on 22 July 1947, but by then it has been around in a different avatars for several years. Over the year, many stalwarts of the independence struggles come up with their version of the flag, most of which were meant to be symbolic or representative of the moment. Pingali Venkaya may have designed the initial version of the flag. Starting in 1907, he recognized the necessity of national flag for India and started working towards this goal. In 1916, he wrote a book called A National Flag for India. Mahatma Gandhi was well aware of the efforts being made by Shri Pingali Venkaya, and as a result, Bapuji invited him to present a sample design of a national flag in the annual conference of the All India Congress Committee. Shri Venkaya presented the design of tricolor flag within 3 hours and presented to the Gandhiji. Mahatma Gandhi was very pleased and wrote in a Young India magazine in an article titled The National Flag. After India was granted independence, the Constituent Assembly of India adopted the tricolor design as the national flag for India. And following the suggestion of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the spinning wheel in the flag was replaced with the Ashoka Chakra. Thus, India received the national flag. Today, India's pride is further enhanced by the flag all over the world. The person who sacrificed all his life for the country, these are his last words. The time of my passing has arrived. The time of my passing has arrived. After I die, please wrap my body with the tricolor flag. Once you reach the cremation ground, please take the flag from my body and fly it from the peepal tree over there. What a great dedication to a nation. A big salute to such a great personality.